Today I'm looking at the special angles 30, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees. And I'm looking at how to get these angles without you looking at the calculator or trying to solve or making it rowdy for yourself. If you look at what we have here, let's get down to business. We're starting with, I'm going to apply 0 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's my step 1. So I started with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 1, the same box, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing I'm going to do is I will divide each and every numbers here by 4. Okay, by 4. So we have 4, 4, and 4. So basically 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, and 4 divided by 4. Then my next step is I will square root each and every one of them. So I'm going to square root them. Yes, I'm going to square root them. And yes, everything is square rooted. So I have 0 over 4, which automatically is 0. I have the square root of 1 over 4. You know, the square root of 1 over 4 would be automatically 1 over 2. Yes, and then, okay, let's apply them immediately. Now this becomes 0. I'm going to put that here. This is 0. Okay. And this goes out. So automatically this becomes 0. And then you have the square root of 1 over 4 to 1 over 2. Okay. And the next one is going to be root 2 divided by 2. And then we have 60 degree. And squaring that, we have root 3 over 2. And so we have 1 here. After squaring 4 for 90, we have square root of 4 divided by 4 in the last part. So this is 1. This is 1. Now to get cosine is also simple. Once you've gotten sine, you just have to repeat the same thing for sine, but for cosine, but you're doing it backwards. So you start from the number at the back here, which is from 90. So it returns back 90. So you start 1. Okay, that is, you go to 60. You go with the root 3 divided by 2. Okay, then you have this root 2 divided by 2. And then you have 1 over 2. And so you have 0. So you just notice that everything here for sine, once you've gotten sine, you can actually return back by repeating these numbers backwards. So 1, you start for cosine 1, root 3 over 2, you start for cosine, root 2 over 2 you do for cosine, 1 over 2 for cosine, and then 0, and then there is 0. So we already know that tan theta is also sine theta divided by cos theta. So basically we are dividing the values of sine and that of cosine. So we'll go back here, 0 divided by 1, so that is 0. Okay, and then we have 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. So we are going to have 1 over 2 times 2 over root 3. So automatically this cancels this 1 over root 3. Or basically you can rationalize and then you have root 3 over 3. So but I'm going to put 1 over root 3 here. Okay. All right. And then you continue for 45. We go down root 2 over 2 divided by root 2 over 2. We automatically know that this is 1. 1. Good. So we also have this root 3 over 2 divided by this. And then we have root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So this becomes root 3 over 2. This becomes root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. So this cancels, and then you have your root 3. So 1 divided by 0, we know is undefined. This is undefined. I don't know if my box will contain this, but okay, undefined. Now, let's look at this. For this part, for tan 30, it can also be, if you have 1 over root 3, you can also rationalize, that's root 3, and then you have root 3 at the head, and root 9. So you have root 3 divided by 3. So this can also be root 3 over 3 for tan 30. So that is how you get these things done.